Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add vertical divider in Notion. So let's say this is my text 1, this is my text 2. In order to add a vertical divider between these texts, I will have to go to quote, so \quote, press enter, then paste some long text in order to make this divider long enough, and then you can just paste the text like so, and then you can just get this divider next to it like so, then get this text next to it like so, and voila, your divider is right here. And you can just make your text look different. So just move it to your liking, and your divider is right here. You can just move it where you like it to be. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.